Hello, and thank you for joining me. You're here with Data Science Teacher Brandyn, and today we're going to learn how to plot many histograms, many distributions, in one line of code with Pandas. Pandas is just a really handy, very quick and easy way to plot. It does, however, not look the best, definitely not as good as Seaborn. So what we're going to do here, what I typically do when I'm going to use Pandas, I go plt.style.use, and I get a style palette here. Right? If you're not sure what it is, you can go plt.style.available, and I'll give you a list of all the different palettes that you can choose from, and you can make your Pandas even look exactly like Seaborn if you want to. Okay, so that does those ones right there. And so then I'm going to do a Pandas histogram. So we plot that out. And so we're going to use the Solarized Light 2 palette. And what I'm going to do when I do this, so df, so I'm just calling dot plot right on the whole data frame. It's giving it access to the whole data frame. Kind equals hist. This is important. Subplots equals true. If you don't do subplots equals true, it'll just kind of plot, well, you'll see, plot all of these on top of each other. You can't really tell that there's more than one here. You can kind of see a little bit of a color difference here, but they're just on top of each other, so it's not super helpful. So if you go subplots equals true, Panda knows to make an individual plot for each series, each column of data. We're going to say a layout of 2 by 3. I know that there's 6 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to go 2 rows by 3 columns. So if we do this, you can see we get enough. And I'm changing the fig size here because it's going to need to be a little bit bigger than the standard that we're given. Okay. So you can see here we get our distributions that plot out. A little quick, easy way. And this is very, very quick and easy. This is definitely much easier than doing it in the loops. It's just very quick and easy coding, which is really, I would say that not the main benefit of Pandas. It does some cool things, but it is very quick and easy to get the same effect that you would in many other plotting engines. Okay? So here, just change this around. We're going to go 3 by 2 now. So we're going to go 3 rows by 2. But the thing is you're kind of noticing here, these are a lot of exponential distributions. And we're kind of not able to see most of that distribution because of the fact of being an exponential distribution. So it's kind of start off very high and down off to the side. So what we can do is we can take the log of this, another handy feature of Pandas. So we're not going to change the underlying, but when we're plotting it, we're going to take the log, and this will give us, if it was truly 100% a perfect exponential, it would be a perfect normal distribution. Very rarely the case, but it gives us a more normal distribution, a log transformation. So you can see you get a little bit more normal. And the reason I would guess the tolls data, so this is a taxi data set, so the tolls, they're all very similar numbers. So there isn't really a distribution to plot even when we take the log of it. It's not, it kind of looks like an exponential, but it's more of just almost all unique, very concentrated values, let's say. Okay, so here we can see you get on distributions. And this is all in one line of code. I did it on a couple lines of code to do it, and I even put a title on here. All again, very, very quick and easy with Pandas. All of our distributions plotted. Okay, so thank you very much for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Bye.